Hi everyone, it's Miss Drake. Today we're just practicing what we learned yesterday, but I know it's kind of a difficult topic. So I'm going to walk you through two of the examples if you need help. If you already understand it, you're not learning anything new today, you can just go ahead and try the examples. So for number one, we're factoring this trinomial. The first thing you want to do is look at a, the number in front of the x squared, and since it's bigger than 1, you know you have to use that slide, divide, and bottoms up method. So first I'm going to slide the 3 and the 2 and multiply them together, I'll get 6. Okay, so I'm looking for factors of 6. F stands for factors with a sum of whatever this middle number is, which is 7. So looking for two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 7. So there's really only two sets of numbers that multiply to 6. 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Okay, which pair adds to 7? Well, 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we want the 1 and 6. So I'm going to write my factor pairs over here. You're still going to start with x as the first term. So x plus, I'll take one of the numbers and I'll put it here. So I'll start with the 1, x plus 1. And then the other set of parentheses, I'll start with an x again. So you're just going to start with whatever letter or whatever variable you have in the problem, and then plus whatever the other number is, so 6. Right, so I'm taking one of the numbers and putting it here, the other number and putting it here. Okay, now if I were to multiply this whole thing back, I would not get this trinomial, right? I don't even have to do the whole thing. I just know that x times x is not 3x squared. So this is where the divide step comes in. I'm going to take whatever this first number is, this leading coefficient, or this a, and I'm going to divide both constants by that number. So divide by 3 and divide by 3. Okay, so what you want to do now is you can put this into your calculator, 1 divided by 3, and you should get 0.3 repeating. We don't want to write the decimal, so convert it back into a fraction, and it should just be 1/3, so x plus 1/3. Okay, now this fraction, or this division, x plus 6 over 3, put that into your calculator. Let's see if you get a whole number or if you get a fraction. So 6 divided by 3, you should get 2. Okay. So when we have our factor pairs, we don't like fractions as our constant. So here's where the bottoms up step comes in. This is a whole number, so I don't have to do it, but since I have a fraction here, I'm going to take this 3, this denominator, and bottoms up, put it up in front of the x. So this first binomial will become 3x, and then plus 1. So the constant is the numerator of this fraction. And then this binomial is fine because we got a whole number, so it's x plus 2. Sorry, my handwriting's really sloppy with this thing. X plus 2. Okay. So those are my two factor pairs. They could be written in either order. So look at your answer choices, and it looks like, let's see, x plus 2 is this factor, and then 3x plus 1 is this factor. So it looks like a crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Right? So if you think you're ready to try the other 9 examples now, you can do so. Otherwise, the next video will explain another one of the questions.